If somebody chooses to do your program, if they don't do the homework, then they can't expect results. So you provide the tools in a very easy to understand and a very logical platform. So all we have to do is implement that. Because when I got so sick and doctors kept giving me more medicine, I said, there's something wrong when the side effects of the medication are worse than the disease that it's treating. And I said, I feel worse on this medicine than I felt before I started it. And that's what I told my friend just the other day. I said, you're on 12 medications. How do you even know what's doing you any good, if it's doing you any good at all? Because Western medicine made me sick, and alternative medicine and other modalities have made me well. I don't think anybody would look at me now and think that I was as close to dying as I was, but it's been a journey, and I'm so glad I found you all, because it's just been night and day. I had major surgery 10 years ago, major double mastectomy with reconstruction. They operated on me for 15 hours. While in recovery, a major artery collapsed, and then 5 more hours of surgery. I was in ICU for 28 days. Then when I went home, I developed blood clots, pneumonia, and a collapsed lung, then was back in the hospital, and they removed all of the reconstruction. So from there, which was 10 years ago, and doing all that with autoimmune condition, it's just been a journey to find balance and wellness. So, and I've done a lot of programs, but I only felt good for a short period of time. There was nothing about how to move forward.